Hey folks, Saksham this side from Ace IPM. I have a very important update for all of you. IPMAT 2024, I am Rohtak, shortlists are now out for the interview. And the way you can look at it is you can go on the website and open the IPM admission page. You can open this particular link, IPM admission 2024. That will give you the cutoffs. In terms of the competition, it remains largely the same in terms of the number of people attending it. Cutoffs, of course, have dropped drastically with just 301 for general, 264 EWS, 225 OBC, 167 SC, 118 ST, and other cutoffs are there for the DAP or the PWD category candidates. In terms of how do you check if you have gotten in or not, the way you need to do is you need to go on this link. I'll update this particular link down in the description. You need to enter your registered email ID and your date of birth. It is going to be, let's say for example, you're born on 1st January 2004. It's going to be 01-01-2004. You complete the reCAPTCHA and just log in. If in case you are somebody who unfortunately could not get in that case, this particular screen will open up, which will tell you the total marks, which is 472 because 2 questions were cancelled, and then the marks that you have personally obtained, that will be showed here, and it will say that it will give you a regret message. So that is going to be there if in case you unfortunately could not get in. No worries, just focus on your GIPMAT preparation and make sure you do really well there to compensate for this. And if in case you have been somebody who who managed to get in that case you will not be shown how much marks have you scored. Rather, what it will say is that you have been shortlisted for the personal interview process. Now one thing that you need to know over here is that abhi tak aapke interview ke dates nahi aaye hain. So the particular the message on the website says that the details about PI venue, that means the PI is going to be offline, along with the date and time of PI will be updated within a week on the institute's website. So that is what I am Rohtak's website says. Although अगर आप important dates पे जाते हैं on their website, which is not opening up right now, it said that result आपका first week of June में निकलेगा, interview second week of June में होंगे. But now that the result has been preponed, I expect the PIs will start happening in about 8-9 days from now. That does not leave you with a lot of time to prepare for your PI, because आपको जिपमैट का भी प्रिपरेशन करना है, PI में पास्ट अकेडमिक्स देखने हैं, जनरल नॉलेज देखना है, करंट अफेयर्स देखना है, HR क्वेश्चंस देखने हैं. So it's a lot for you to do. So in the case in case you are an ACE IPM student, you don't have to worry. आपका PI preparation will be handled by us. You don't have to buy this particular batch. It is included as a part of your course regardless of the batch you were a part of. चाहे वो मैराथन कोर्स था, क्रैश कोर्स था, एक्सेलरेट बैच था, कोई पुराना बैच था, you don't have to pay anything. Your interview preparation is going to be included in the course. But if you are somebody जिसको जिसने ACE IPM कोर्स नहीं ले रखा था या मॉक्स ही ले रखा था सिर्फ, in that case you can head over to our website, join our PI preparation batch. पूरी जो डिटेल्स रहेंगी प्रॉपर, we'll update that soon on the website, as well as we'll put out a video for the same. But to summarize it for you, we'll have 5 workshop sessions available, which will be taken by your seniors from IIM. I'll be there, Swapnil will be there, and other people from various IIMs are going to be there to help you with your IPMAT Rohtak's interview preparation. आपका जीके वाला पार्ट भी हम कवर करा देंगे. साथ ही में अगर हम देखते हैं तो आपको 2 मॉक इंटरव्यूज मिलते हैं IIM रोहतक के लिए. दे विल बी टेकन बाय योर सीनियर्स फ्रॉम IIM. आपको प्रॉपर एनालिसिस रहेगा उसके बाद में. इसके बाद अगर आप देखते हैं तो 3 इंटरव्यूज रहेंगे इंदौर के. अगर आपका इंदौर का शॉर्टलिस्ट आता है और रांची आता है तो उसके लिए भी मॉक इंटरव्यूज रहेंगे. आप चाहें, इफ़ यू लिव इन एंड अराउंड नोएडा, दिल्ली NCR में रहते हैं, यू कैन कम टू आवर ऑफिस एंड गिव मॉक इंटरव्यू offline as well, since the PI is also expected to be offline. So that is a possibility if in case you live in the vicinity. So that is an option available to you as well. All of this will be available at a nominal cost of 399 only. Limited seats will be available, and if in case you want to join, you can join using the link down in the description. Till then, stay safe, take care, all the very best, and thank you. Bye bye.